Friends, dear students, there is one very important question, and I want to tell the techniques how to solve. Question simple. If the momentum of a body is increased by 50%, then calculate the percent change. Percent, these are two different words, not single. मिलाकर नहीं होती, परसेंट नहीं होती. This is not wrong. It is percent. Percentage कुछ नहीं होता. Percent change in kinetic of the body. तो you are given कि भाई momentum is increased by 50%. Momentum increased by 50%. Then what is the change in kinetic? Just in the previous video, I have told you relation between kinetic. Let K be the kinetic energy. Kinetic energy of body with momentum P. Then K equal to P square upon 2N. Simple relation, we know this thing. And here very clear, if momentum is increased, kinetic energy will increase. The simple fact. If momentum is increased, so let K, if delta P be the change, increase, I should say right, increase in the momentum of body, then let delta K be the increase in kinetic energy. Our problem is, what is our problem? We have to find out percent change in kinetic energy. Means you need to find delta K upon K. Change in energy divided by initial energy multiplied by 100. तो हमें सोचना निकालना क्या है? We have to find out only here delta K upon K and then multiply 100%. K is given. So I written K delta P is the increase, then K plus delta K equal to P plus delta P whole square upon 2m. Mass has not changed. What is delta P? Delta P 50% of initial momentum P, इनके 0.5 P. So P plus delta P, K plus delta K, it becomes 1.5 P square upon 2m. This is equation 2. Please listen this technique. There comes big number of questions based on percentage in physics, and we will get a grade of that percentage. When you want to find percentage change, then you have to find the change based on initial value. So first we find ratio, and ratio multiplied 100 will give percentage. Now dividing equation 2 by 1. Dividing equation 2 by 1. You will get what? Now wait. We will get K plus delta K upon K equal to 1.5 P whole square upon P square m get cancelled, और 1 plus delta k upon k, keep on solving. 1.5 p square, 1.5 square 2.25, 2.25 p square upon p square, p square cancel, तो 1 plus delta k upon k is equal to only 2.25, और delta k upon k 1.25. Subtract this, and therefore delta k upon k into 100 is equal to 1.25 into 100. So it is 125%. If momentum of a moving body is increased to 50%, then its kinetic energy get increased by 125%. I have told here a simple technique. This is my own actually method of calculation, which makes the thing simple. Actually, people keep on working, let it be 100. That is nothing. Now, one more question here for you, just to understand. The concept of potential energy, kinetic energy, power. Power is the rate of doing work. So here is a question. A water pump of power 2 kilowatt is used to draw water from a 10-meter deep well. Calculate the mass of water drawn by it from the well in 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Heavy. Power of motor is 2 kilowatt. So when pump will be drawing water, it will be doing work against gravitational force. And that work done. So because here I take G as 10, I assume G 10 meter per second square. The force against which work is done is constant, and power equal to work upon time, and hence work into time equal to power. No, sorry, work equal to power. Work is equal to power into time. And remember, dear students, apply an cash system where you feel what to do. So work let m kilogram mass is drawn by pump in 2 minutes, then work done equal to mass into G into H, force into, and it is also increase in potential energy of water when it is brought up from the from inside the well to height H. So mgh is equal to power into time. M you have to find out G10, H10, power 2 kilowatt. 2 kilowatt, how many watt? 2000 into 2 minutes 60 seconds currently. So that way, I mean, these 2 zero cancel. So M is equal to 40 into 60, 2400 kg. Simple question. Now, once I gave this question for the test of teachers who are to be interviewed there in our school. So they got afraid of kilowatt. So what is this kilowatt? Please learn the basic. Please, I request my own students. Please learn the basic. Now I have got very good experience, very good knowledge also achieved by doing hard work. Initially when I started my teaching work, students were very fond of my class work. A boy who appeared for the NEET kept on working for 2 years from different coaching centers, but finally when he failed, he took my notes, prepared accordingly and got selected. I'm not so intelligent, but please work accordingly, according to syllabus. The requirement is to learn basic fundamental facts. There is a question here, again, based on concept of work done by average force. Concept of, here is a smooth table. On this table, a chain of certain length L is lying in such a way that its length L by 3. If total length is L, then L by 3 hanging. Total length L है the whole. L by 3 hanging down. Table is smooth. If G is the acceleration due to gravity, then how much work is to be done in pulling this chain on the table, complete length on the table? Total mass of the chain be M. If total mass of chain be M, then how much work has to be done in pulling the chain on the table? So if total mass equal to capital M, then mass of chain hanging down equal to mg by 3, m by 3, sorry. So initial force against which to be done. Equal to mg upon 3. When total length has been pulled up, then force 0. So average force against which work has been done, against work is to be done, against which work is to be done, 0 plus f by 2, यानी कि mg अपॉन कितना भाई 6, and hence by this force the chain has to be pulled a distance of L by 3, and hence work done in pulling the rope, the chain up on the table. Average force into distance L by 3. So it is mg upon 6 into L by 3. So it is mg L upon 18. Dear student, this question has been asked first in IIT, then in one more exam, and finally I saw this question in All India PMT exam for those students who have cleared pre-exam. So please learn basic things and work accordingly. I will be meeting you with more concept in coming video.